welcome back to Elle's Experiments. Elle's Experiments. Today we're going to do the egg experiment. First we need a jar, an egg, food coloring, and a measuring cup and some vinegar. Let's get started. We're going to put the food coloring into the vinegar and then we're going to put it to the egg. Let's get started. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's shake it up. And then now we're going to pour it. Let's get started. Whoa. It's cool.
Stop.
Then now we're going to put the top on. Really cool. I'll see you later. Hi, welcome back to Elle's Experiments. Today, remember we put vinegar and the food coloring into the jar. Now we're going to see what happens. It's bubbling and we're going to open the top now since I got help. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! So I see some bubbles, a little bit of more food coloring. You're gonna push it down a little. It's actually soft. Remember when the egg was light, now it turned pink because of the food coloring. Do you think it's gonna break or bounce? Which one? Break. Okay, let's see if you're right. It bounced! It bounced! You were wrong! Whoa, it looks like a jelly egg. It looks like a jelly egg. Whoa! It's really cool. You could have put glitter in it, it would be super cool. The egg is bouncing and it's rolled, but it's super fun. So you must make sure you do it your own too. It's really fun, and it's rubbing your rub. It's like you're rubbing the egg, and then you're letting it sit, and then it came like this. It's like bounce, boing, 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 boing. Can you make your own egg bounce? It's fun. It's like a squishy. Mash 'em, mash 'em. I'm gonna give it a 10. Mash 'em, 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 mash 'em. Whoa! I told you it was wrong, and it opened up. Boop, 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 boop. Thanks for watching. Bye.